Hi, I'm Odeng, 29 years old and an electronics engineer by profession. Way back August 2023, I was led and I decided to resign dun sa work ko bilang professor. That time, sabi ko, Lord, totoo ba to? Talaga ba? Pero I decided to go and follow God. A few weeks of contemplating, I decided na mag-go na mag-aral for 6 months ng tuloy-tuloy. Merong leading sa akin na mag-change ng career coming from college professor to an IT professional. That time, medyo challenging siya, but still, I took yung promise sa akin ni God na sige, gawin mo lang because I'm with you. After 6 months ng pag-aaral, nagkaroon na ako ng time sa pag-a-apply ko ng work. Yung career shifting daw is sobrang hirap. Sometimes it will take you 3 to 6 months bago makahanap ng work. And sabi ko, Lord, hindi pwede yun. Hindi pwedeng 3 months, 6 months because ubos na yung savings ko. Wala na akong naibibigay sa bahay and nakaasa na lang ako sa parents ko. Sabi ko, Lord, ang faith ko is within the first month ang pag-a-apply ko, and the first 10 companies na pag-a-apply ko, nandun na yung mag-hire sa akin. After a week ng pag-aantay, walang nag-reply sa akin. Sad to say, rejections after rejections pa rin yung nangyari. Sabi ko, Lord, tuloy pa ba to? Tama pa ba to? But still, there's this small voice na, I am with you, continue lang. After maybe 3 days, I was scrolling sa social media and I saw yung isang posting ng dati kong company. Naghahanap sila ng software developer. Pero hindi ako nasa position of pagiging expectant after all of the rejections. Nag-speak lang ako ng tongues and I was commanding my angel. Sabi ko, ibigay nyo na sa akin tong harvest na to. After 30 minutes, tumawag sa akin yung boss ko and then sabi niya sa akin, oh, Odeng, nag-apply ka pala dito. Punta ka na kaya dito ngayon na. Tinignan ko yung oras, taga lang. Alas stress na, patapos na yung shape up. Pero bakit nagmamadali yung boss ko? So, doon ko lang na-feel na grabe lang yung favor sa akin ni God because the very moment na nakita pa lang ng boss ko before yung job application ko, hinire niya na ako agad. Sobrang smooth ng lahat. Nabigay sa akin yung compensation which is higher than the normal rate ng isang IT personnel. Ngayon, sobrang saya ko lang because yung favor na binigay sa akin agad is sobra-sobra. Hindi ko talaga siya in-expect. What I just did is, I followed kung ano yung sinabi sa akin agad and ginawa ko lang na mag-speak ka lang ng declaration mo, magkaroon ka lang ng faith na even though parang it seems impossible kung ano mangyayari pero tuloy-tuloy lang because God is with me. I just want to say na if you ever face fear in any form, cancel it because you have the power to say and change your situation because the Holy Spirit is in you. God already gave you His Holy Spirit para magkaroon ka ng power and not just to cancel things but to change in every part ng situation na meron ka. Just want to invite you here sa Wisdom Church of Manila for you to experience what I've experienced together with my testimony and I hope you'll have your own testimony too.